Imagine a medicine that isn't a pill or a shot, but a living microscopic helper inside your body. This tiny organism patrols your insides, searching for trouble and fixing issues on the spot. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. The world of programmable probiotics. We're on the verge of turning bacteria into our own internal doctors. You've probably heard of probiotics in yogurt or supplements, helping with digestion. But now scientists see them as programmable biological machines. By rewriting their genetic code, we can give these bacteria new instructions and abilities. Unlike traditional medicines that affect your whole body, programmable probiotics are precise. They can be engineered to target specific places, like your gut or even a tumor, and only activate when they detect disease signals. Imagine a microscopic surgeon operating exactly where needed, leaving everything else untouched. This is a future where your medicine is a living part of your body's ecosystem. These engineered microbes could spot problems before you feel sick and deliver treatments instantly. It's more than a new pill. It's a new way of thinking about medicine. We're working with nature, using life itself to heal. The possibilities are staggering. What if your medicine could adapt to you, work around the clock, and keep you healthy before you even know you're sick? This is the promise of programmable probiotics. Medicine is about to get a lot more alive. Let's dive in. How do we give bacteria these superpowers? Enter synthetic biology. Scientists use DNA like biological Legos, building new functions inside living cells. We can take safe bacteria, like those in yogurt, and upgrade them genetically. The process starts with a goal: detect cancer, produce medicine, or break down toxins. Scientists design a genetic circuit, a DNA program with a sensor, processor, and actuator. The sensor detects a specific molecule, like one from cancer cells. The processor acts as a logic gate, deciding what action to take. The actuator does the work, maybe producing a drug or a pigment as a signal. It's a complete, self-contained medical device inside a single bacterium. These decisions can be simple or complex, depending on the need. Imagine a bacterium that only acts when it finds a disease marker, then delivers treatment right there. This is engineering on a microscopic scale. We're not just studying life, we're programming it. The result? Living medicines that are smart, targeted, and responsive. The future of healthcare is being built, one microbe at a time. Programmable probiotics are the next leap. Let's see how they're made. Building a programmable probiotic is a careful blend of biology and engineering. First, scientists pick a safe bacterium, often one that's been part of our food for centuries. Safety comes first, so they use strains with proven track records. Next, they design a genetic circuit using computers, crafting DNA instructions for the sensor, logic gate, and actuator. For example, a cancer-detecting bacterium might have a gene that activates only in a tumor's low-oxygen environment. Scientists then synthesize this custom DNA, printing it molecule by molecule. The new DNA is inserted into the bacterium, often via a plasmid, a small circular DNA piece bacteria can absorb. Once inside, the bacterium reads its new instructions. Rigorous lab testing follows. Does the sensor detect the right molecule? Does the actuator respond correctly? Scientists check for unexpected problems, ensuring safety and reliability. Only after extensive testing do these engineered bacteria move to animal studies, and eventually, human trials. It's a long journey from lab bench to bedside, but each step brings us closer to living medicines. The process is complex, but the potential is enormous. We're engineering life to heal life. That's the future of medicine. Programmable probiotics aren't just theory, they're already making waves. At MIT and UC San Diego, bacteria have been engineered to find liver tumors in mice and signal their presence with a simple urine test. For people with PKU, scientists created gut bacteria that break down harmful amino acids, potentially freeing patients from strict diets. Inflammatory bowel diseases are being targeted with probiotics that sense gut inflammation and release anti-inflammatory molecules right at the source. These living medicines are more targeted than current drugs, reducing side effects. Researchers are also developing probiotics to fight antibiotic-resistant superbugs and help manage diabetes by regulating blood sugar. Each project shows the power of smart, living therapies. Instead of flooding the body with drugs, we send in a living, targeted solution. These examples are just the beginning. Programmable probiotics are already changing medicine. The future is arriving, one microbe at a time. Imagine what's next. The possibilities are endless. The ultimate goal? Personalized medicine, tailored just for you. Everyone's body and microbiome are unique, so why settle for one-size-fits-all treatments? Programmable probiotics could be custom designed for your biology and health needs. Imagine a doctor analyzing your gut microbes and creating a probiotic cocktail just for you. These bacteria could fill gaps in your microbiome, produce missing vitamins, or monitor for early signs of disease. It's like having a tiny doctor on call, 24/7. As your health changes, your probiotics could be updated, like a software upgrade for your body. This dynamic approach could revolutionize preventative care, keeping you healthy before problems start. Instead of treating sickness, we'd focus on maintaining wellness. Medicine would work constantly to keep you in balance, based on your unique biology. Personalized probiotics could transform healthcare. The future is proactive, adaptive, and personal. That's the dream. Exciting as this is, safety is crucial. What if engineered bacteria mutate or escape? Scientists are building in kill switches and metabolic containment, bacteria that can't survive outside the body. To prevent gene transfer, they lock engineered DNA into the chromosome and split up genetic circuits so they only work in the original bacterium. Regulatory and ethical questions are huge. How do we approve and control living medicines? Who gets access? We need new frameworks and open conversations to ensure these therapies are safe and fair. Responsible innovation is key. The science is moving fast, but safety must come first. We must get this right. The future of programmable probiotics is vast. Beyond cancer and gut health, new frontiers include mental health, thanks to the gut-brain axis. Scientists are exploring psychobiotics-engineered microbes that produce mood-regulating chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. Imagine treating depression or anxiety by tuning your gut microbes. Probiotics are also being developed for diabetes, producing hormones to help regulate blood sugar. Living therapies could reduce the need for injections and constant monitoring. The possibilities extend to anti-aging and performance enhancement, microbes that protect cells or boost energy. We're just beginning to harness the microbial world. The next breakthroughs are on the horizon. The future is alive, and it's microbial. Programming microbes isn't just for medicine. It can help the planet. Engineered bacteria could clean up oil spills, breaking down toxic crude oil faster than ever. They could produce green energy, turning waste or sunlight into clean fuel. Imagine bioreactors filled with bacteria creating sustainable energy. Some microbes could even tackle plastic pollution, breaking down waste into reusable components. Synthetic biology lets us harness life to solve environmental challenges. The same principles that heal our bodies can heal our world. The future of sustainability is microscopic. We're only beginning to see what's possible. The world's tiniest helpers could make the biggest difference. We've explored how ordinary probiotics are becoming extraordinary living medicines. Scientists are programming microbes to detect disease, deliver drugs, and act as personal doctors inside us. This is a profound shift in healthcare, medicine that's smart, responsive, and alive. The challenges are real. Safety, regulation, and ethics must guide us. But the potential is enormous for both our bodies and our planet. We're learning to speak the language of life and use it to build a healthier world. The future of medicine is coming, and it's alive. Are you ready for a medicine program just for you? Stay curious, ask questions, and help shape this new frontier. The possibilities are just beginning.